Good day, I'm Al from Chef's Deal. I'm reaching out to share how we can bring exceptional value to your projects in the food service industry. As professionals shaping the future of culinary spaces, your work is vital. At Chef's Deal, we understand the intricacies of designing and equipping functional, aesthetically pleasing, and efficient food service environments. That's why we're dedicated to providing you with the best restaurant equipment solutions. Our extensive inventory caters to all aspects of restaurant setup, from kitchen essentials to front-of-house necessities. Whether it's a sleek modern cafe or a bustling commercial kitchen, we have the equipment to bring your vision to life. With Chef's Deal, you gain more than just a supplier, you gain a partner. Our experienced team offers personalized consultations to ensure your projects meet and exceed client expectations. We're here to support you with expert guidance, customized solutions, competitive pricing, and priority service with a dedicated account manager. Discover how Chef's Deal can enhance your projects. We invite you to explore our extensive range of solutions tailored to the culinary space. For more information on how we can support your next project, please visit our website or contact us directly. Let's start a conversation about how we can achieve excellence together. Your expertise in design and construction, combined with our comprehensive equipment solutions, can set new standards in the food service industry. Thank you for considering Chef's Deal as your go-to resource. Together, we can achieve remarkable results. I look forward to supporting your endeavors and celebrating your successes.